Breaking news coming in. Grenade attack has been reported in Bijbehara, Anantnag. One Jawan unfortunately has been injured. The area has been cordoned off at the moment, is what we're picking up. The grenade attack in Bijbehara minutes before BJP rally. The BJP rally is to be addressed by Shahnawaz Hussain. Bijbehara is hometown of Mehbooba Mufti, and the BJP has planned campaign rally for DDC elections in town. That's the latest coming in from the rally. Shuja ul Haq will be getting us all the latest updates as far as this grenade attack is concerned. He'll be joining us in a bit to get us up to speed with what's going on at the moment. But remember, this is a grenade attack which is coming in right ahead of the rally that is to be addressed by Shahnawaz Hussain, the BJP rally. Bijbehara is the hometown of Mehbooba Mufti. BJP has planned campaign rally for DDC elections in town, and one Jawan has been injured after this particular grenade attack took place in Jammu and Kashmir. The culprits we don't know at the moment, but Shuja will be able to throw some more light on where the investigation stands as to what led to this particular attack. But one Jawan has been injured in this attack at Anantnag in Jammu and Kashmir, right there in the valley. Shuja joins us now for the latest. Shuja, what has been the cause of this attack, and who are the culprits? What are you picking up in terms of what led to this particular attack, and of course the fact that one Jawan has been injured as well in this grenade attack?
Well, Chaiti, all those details are part of investigation which will be carried out at this point of time. What we know is that the area has been cordoned off. They're trying to figure out who were the people who lobbed this grenade. But primarily it does seem that the security forces were the target. One Jawan, as we've been reporting, has suffered injuries. He's been shifted to the hospital where he's been treated at this point of time. We have seen an increase in the number of such attacks at various places, at least off late. And the fact that there are elections going on for district development councils, these attacks take significance in that in the light of those developments as well. But security forces say that they have things under control. They are looking at all these aspects as well and trying to figure out how to deal with them. We're also at the same time seeing encounters taking place where where militants are killed, some are arrested. In fact, in an encounter just today in itself in the same area of Anantnag, we got to know that one militant was injured and arrested later on during the operation. So these things are happening, but at this point of time, what is interesting and very important to note here is that there are elections which is a very important process, and during these elections such attacks are also happening.
All right, Shreya, I'll leave it at that. Thanks so much for joining us with the very latest details.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.